5 funny sounding English words which will make you look cool. Let's learn. Bumfuzzle. You can use this word instead of confused or perplexed. Bumfuzzle. Cutesy poo. This is when you find something very cute, extremely cute, sickening cute. Cutesy poo. Fuddy-duddy. Fuddy-duddy is used for a person who is happy with his old trends and does not want to do anything with new fashion trends. Fuddy-duddy, like boomer uncle, bumbershoot. It is just another word for umbrella. As it is rainy season, you can use this to flaunt your vocabulary. Bumbershoot. Wishy-washy. A person who has difficulty in making small or big decisions. Wishy-washy. Make a note, follow me and wait for the next.